is conducted by Class 7B, and the theme for our assembly is Importance of Time Management.
Introduction. Time is one of the most wonderful and rare gifts given to us by God. It is a very precious element that never comes back once it's spent. Time is very important. It should be used for productive and beneficial goals for more rewards, happiness and satisfaction in our lives. Therefore, it is very imperative for students to manage their time wisely. Time management helps the student to be more efficient and organized.
The period of studentship is a wonderful learning experience. School is the best place to adopt a proper routine in order to get more progress and success in life. Life has become quite busy these days. We are needed to manage countless tasks for multiple goals in our lives. Time management leads to more creativity, happiness, and a successful life ahead, while laziness is the inherent enemy of mankind. It can reduce productivity, peace, and happiness in our lives. Therefore, we must always remember to use every hour, every minute, and every second of our time wisely.
Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verses 1 to 8. To everything there is a season, and a time to every purpose under heaven. A time to be born and a time to die. A time to plant and a time to pluck. A time to kill and a time to heal. A time to break and a time to build. A time to weep and a time to laugh. A time to mourn and a time to dance. A time to cast away stones and a time to gather them. A time to embrace and a time to refrain from embracing. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
allows you to accomplish more in a shorter period of time, which leads to more free time, which lets you take advantage of learning opportunities, lowers your stress, and helps you focus, which leads to more career success. Each benefit of time management improves another aspect of your life.
Please join us in saying the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from all evil. Amen.
Prayer. Lord, make me a wise manager of my time and strengthen me to make choices that honor you, that lead me close to you and that reflect your love to the world. Teach me to be intentional with the choices I make and the activities I'm involved in. Lord, to you I surrender my time. I am in constant need of your wisdom and guidance in every area of my life. Reveal to me your plan for this day. Show me what you would have me do and give me the courage to do it. Lead me clearly as I follow you boldly. Amen.
Productivity is never an accident. It is always a result of commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and